Today, you
Right there.
chosen few will witness my greatest discovery yet. Together, we will finish what my great-grandfather started. They called Henry a monster. They were afraid of what he'd done. But you will see. There's nothing to fear. Show them. Lower the lights, quickly. Now. These people are friends. See? There's nothing to be afraid of. He is amazing. Better than the original. He is the key to our most exciting experiment. For years, I have studied and controlled the monsters that prowl the darkness. And only one remains. I will control my ultimate challenge. Count Dracula. Call yourself. That wasn't us.
Silent creature, I will destroy you.
These two just don't get along. The Dracula experiment is the last piece of the puzzle. And with your help, the world will never see the name Frankenstein the same again. Open the doors! Our
stretch for miles beneath Darkmoor. Even I haven't uncovered all the secrets my great-great-grandfather left down here. Igor, take control of their machine.
Don't worry, it's not like your experiment.
Brace yourselves and witness my masterpiece, Dracula, under my control. Now, activate the machine.
Whoa!
Wrong.
Whoa! Whoa!
Dracula must not escape.
You set the nightmares free.
Whoa!
What is it? You're gonna like this.
They're out! They're out! Even the really ugly ones!
Don't let anything touch you.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
All monsters will bow to the name Frankenstein.
Dr. Easy, thank you for coming. Now, only good reviews, yeah?